From titanium wallets and tactical pens to survival belts hiding knives and flashlights, these 21 mind-blowing gadgets combine style, power, and practicality, proving they're not just cool accessories, but essential gear every man should own. At number 21, the V-Mag. For the guy who desires an item that combines style, utility, and cutting-edge technology, the V-Mag is the wallet of the future you just can't miss. This modular system, made of titanium or aluminum and featuring a cyberpunk design that exudes refinement, allows you to customize your carry using the V-Mag Alpha and Beta models. The Alpha's revolutionary construction allows for rapid, no-fumble access to 3 credit cards, and it clamps into your iPhone via MagSafe, as well as MagSafe-compatible Android cases, such as those for the Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel. The Beta can hold up to 6 cards and cache and features EDC tools such as a bottle opener, pry bar, and AirTag clip, all in a pocket-friendly form. It also has a phone stand that can be used horizontally or vertically, making it ideal for watching movies or reading on the go. The fee is $65. At number 20, Hoto. For the guy who doesn't simply mend things but makes masterpieces, the Hoto 35-in-1 is the tool that will unleash your DIY potential like never before. This ultra-light 240-gram kit is the little powerhouse that fits in your hand while delivering a powerful 380 motor with up to 25,000 RPM, similar to an 8V tool. It comes with 35 high-quality attachments, including cutting bits and sanding discs, allowing you to carve, engrave, polish, drill, grind, and even groom your pet's nails with professional precision. 5 adjustable speeds provide complete control over any project, while the ring-shaped LED light eliminates shadows and illuminates all details. The 2000 mAh battery lasts up to 50 minutes and charges quickly via USB-C, with a convenient charging case provided. A quick swap dust cover keeps contaminants out of your eyes, and the removable case keeps all attachments organized so you never have to look for the proper one. Number 19. Solder Pro. For the individual who never backs down from a technical challenge, the Iroha Solder Pro is the device that delivers relentless soldering power wherever. This cordless 4-in-1 butane soldering kit with a 30 to 70 watt range functions as a portable workshop, heating up in just 18 seconds for soldering circuits, repairing electronics, and tackling DIY projects. It includes 4 high-quality interchangeable tips for soldering, torching, hot knife cutting, and hot air blowing, making it ideal for everything from delicate repairs to heat shrinking and precise cutting. Its ergonomic design with PZO auto ignition and an adjustable flame provides surgical precision, while the clear butane tank, which lasts up to 40 minutes, allows you to readily monitor fuel levels. Number 18. Shield X. For the guy who wants to carry keys with unrivaled flair and next-level functionality, the Shield X is the keychain that redefines EDC. This small 8-centimeter long device made of aerospace aluminum with chrome plating and carbon fiber accents stores up to 10 keys in a robust compartment that minimizes unwanted jangling. A single wrist flick easily deploys any key, and the innovative design keeps everything secure and quiet in your pocket. It has an integrated multi-tool with a bottle opener and a tiny pry bar, as well as a snap hook and loop to hold larger keys or remotes. The Shield X, which is ultra-light and constructed to withstand wear, not only organizes your keys, but also adds a bit of tactical sophistication to your daily carry. Number 17. Survival Belt 2.0. For the man who wants to look great and be prepared for any adventure, the Survival Belt 2.0 combines style with epic survival functionality. This 1.5-inch wide belt created in the USA from waterproof, heat-resistant nylon with a 1500 PSI rating is almost unbreakable and fits waists up to 48 inches. It features a proprietary ratchet mechanism for exact quarter-inch adjustments, and there are no worn-out holes. The matte black zinc alloy buckle contains a folding stainless steel knife with a titanium nitride coating, a bottle opener, a 20 LM LED flashlight that can be used in or out of the buckle, and a ferro rod for starting fires. It's everything that fits together flawlessly, like a stylish belt you might wear to a meeting or for camping. Number 16. The Flounder 2.0 transforms a basic keychain into a powerhouse of 13 gadgets. This coin-sized pendant, forged from titanium, weighs only 33 grams and is 50 millimeters in length, making it both lightweight and unbreakable. Its fish-shaped design includes an eternal graphite-tipped pen, a pry bar, a rope cutter, a pocket saw, a bottle opener, a screwdriver with 2 magnetic bits, a ferro rod, fire starter, a file, a nail puller, and slots for glow-in-the-dark vials. Everything folds into a pendant that can be worn on a necklace, keychain, or carabiner. And the smooth opening mechanism allows you to have every tool at your fingertips in seconds. The fee is $49. Number 15, Berg URI. For the man who wishes to push high-end watchmaking to its limits, the Work UR112 is a wristwatch that will leave everyone speechless. This titanium marvel revolutionizes timekeeping with a digital satellite system that shows hours and minutes on rotating aluminum prisms beneath translucent sapphire cylinders. The hours jump to the left while the minutes move up in 5-minute increments on the right, using luminova-coded numerals that flash brightly in the dark. When you press the side buttons, a Hunter-style titanium lid opens up like a supercar hood, revealing a 48-hour power reserve indicator and a silicon seconds disc with a sleek black and gray matte finish for serious flair. Number 14. Stinger Tactical Pen. The Stinger Tactical Pen is a gadget that combines elegance and high-impact usefulness. This military pen is made of aerospace-grade aluminum and has a non-reflective matte black anodized finish. It weighs only 4 ounces, yet is meant to last. The taper design and ergonomic grooves provide a pleasant grip for smooth, fluid writing with black ink, but its true strength is in its reinforced pressure tip, which is ready for self-defense or breaking glass in an emergency. With metric and imperial rulers carved into the body, this pen is more than just a writing tool. It's a multi-purpose, everyday carry item that fits every hand size. Number 13. Whether you're a student or simply enjoy writing on paper, you are likely aware of the risks involved. There is always a risk of wetting or tearing, but don't worry, we've compiled a list of inventive notebooks that can handle almost anything. They are created from a special synthetic paper that is both tear-resistant and waterproof. You may drown them in water or even acid without causing harm. This paper, however, does not absorb ink. Thus, you should use ballpoint pens and pencils. At number 12, all you need to feel like a powerful superhero is a big gauntlet. With its basic futuristic appearance, this armor appears to have been created by Tony Stark. The integrated LED panels combined with the clear central chamber contribute to this excellent design. Furthermore, the lights support 2 colors, blue and orange. The gauntlet features a toggle switch that allows you to easily turn on the lights and change the color mode. The gauntlet is made from sturdy plastic and aluminum. It only comes in one size, which suits nearly everyone. You won't have to bother about charging the gadget because it runs on batteries. As a superhero, you have other tasks to complete. Number 11. If you plan to spend time in the wilderness, get your hands on this survival toolkit. The unbreakable waterproof plastic case fits in the palm of your hand and contains 11 different tools to let you control nature. You'll never get lost with a removable liquid-filled button compass, and a rescue flash signal mirror will help you find your way in an emergency. The aluminum foil and a waterproof firelight sparker with over 5,000 sparks can help you start a campfire or a camp stove. Whistle, knife, sewing needle, stainless steel wire, and even a fishing kit. You'll be ready to face any hazard or difficulty, especially with Buck Tilton's Survival Handbook, which includes over 62 tactics. Isn't that awesome? Number 10. When you need a flashlight, you want one that's bright, durable, and portable, such as this one. Despite being compact and lightweight, its specifications are pretty outstanding. So this is a multifunctional, waterproof illumination equipment powered by a rechargeable battery rated at 4,000 milliamp hours and capable of producing an astonishing 2,500 lumens. Of course, the brightness is adjustable. With 5 options to select from, there's more. When the built-in proximity sensor detects an obstruction close, it automatically reduces the brightness for safety, and there are numerous carrying alternatives. You may attach it to a lanyard, clip it to your pants, pocket, adhere it to any metal surface, or use it as a headlight. Yes, the USB cable and headband are both included in the box. Last but not least, there are numerous color possibilities to pick from. Number 9. This LED watch offers everything you need. It displays the date, has an alarm, and has numerous settings for showing time. It's made of robust steel and will last you 4 years while matching any look nicely. The strap is also adjustable. Charge this watch once every 2 months and don't worry about batteries. The screen activates with the push of a button, thus no energy is wasted. Cool. Number 8. These are the best wallets for folks who like to keep their belongings well organized. Don't be misled by their small and lightweight form. They hold everything you need and more. The wallets hold up to 16 credit cards and have a silicone clip for cash. The anodized aluminum body ensures the accessory's longevity, while the Detex material makes it smooth and comfortable to handle. They come in a variety of designs and colors, so even the most discerning will discover the perfect match. But it's not only that, every wallet has a multi-tool. Each of them serves a multitude of purposes, including a chisel, screwdriver, hex wrench, bottle opener, rope tensioner, and nail prier. The best aspect is that you can really purchase an extra multi-tool and place it wherever you want. As long as you have this wallet, you are prepared for anything. Number 7. For the adventurer, Wasatch Outdoor Survival Laces transform your footwear into a portable survival kit. These military-grade 550 paracord laces not only keep your boots snug, but they also hide an armory of crucial tools. Each pair includes 7 nylon strands for building shelters, fixing gear, or creating traps, as well as a 10-pound fishing line for catching food in the wilderness. But that's not all. One lace includes a 1-inch ferro rod and a 4-inch waterproof red tinder strand. Ready to start a fire in any situation. Ideal for hikers, campers, or anyone who prefers to be prepared without adding bulk. The cost starts at $6. Number 6. This gadget combines the functionality of multiple devices into a single one. Its primary purpose is to protect you. It includes a 550 lumen spotlight and a deafening siren, which you can activate whenever you need it. It also features a sharp tip that can be used as a weapon for self-defense. It can also store current, allowing it to function as a phone power bank. Despite all of this, the device is so small and lightweight that it can be carried anywhere. It can also fit into your pocket or serve as a keychain. Number 5. Introducing the tiniest and most practical drill ever. Its design as well as weight and size are identical to those of pens. Instead of the nib from the pen, a bit comes out of this drill, which, by the way, has 8 different alternatives to choose from. The device can drill for around 2 hours on a single charge and can be swiftly recharged using a Type-C connection. It is made of aluminum, which not only makes it strong, but also gives it a quality appearance. The drill, no matter how small, can be used in the same way as its larger equivalents. It can be used to mine through wood, plastic, or any other material that a normal drill can penetrate. Number 4. Here's another gadget that protects your fingers when hammering nails. It protects your fingertips with extremely durable plastic. The elastic bands on the device make it suitable for every hand size. Furthermore, it makes things easy for you by using magnets to grip the nail and avoid buckling. That's no less useful when starting screws. Oh, we've needed this for so long. And here's a wearable gizmo for folks who enjoy extreme activities. It's a Bluetooth-enabled remote control that saves you from reaching for your phone. These large buttons enable you to act quickly. You can manage your music, start a voice assistant, or answer calls. Of course, the device is entirely waterproof and ready to withstand any weather situation. Furthermore, it is excellent for motorsports. The numerous tiny suction cups on its backside ensure a secure attachment to the bike. Now you can focus on the road. Number 3, if you enjoy extreme sports, you want to feel protected. This equipment can provide that. Therefore, let's start with your requirements. These knee pads provide optimum flexibility and adaptability in any knee position. It absorbs 83% of the force of an impact, and its open surface area promotes ventilation and heat exchange. The knee protection remains stable regardless of activity, thanks to a very long transparent sock on the thigh. The supplemental protector on the outside borders of the knee guard is meant to provide protection even when sliding along the ground. Similarly, the elbow guard is flexible, breathable, lightweight, and extremely durable. It fits like a second skin and was designed by mapping the contour of the arm, allowing you to realize your full potential while providing complete protection. Number 2, here's another fantastic multi-tool for those who aspire to be the real Inspector Gadget. While it appears to be an average pop socket and may be used as a comfortable phone stand, here's a little secret. The object in the middle can also function as a bottle opener, little pry bar, or even a pair of hex bed drivers. The built-in magnetic twist system ensures that your multi-tool remains in place until you need it, so don't be concerned about dropping it and leaving it for some lucky person to find. It is entirely compatible with Pop Mount 2 and Pop Power, but the top may be quickly removed if you choose to use alternative wireless chargers. Number 1. Finally, there's something for your back. These back protectors' honeycomb aluminum structure makes them both lightweight and incredibly reliable, while the ergonomic design and comfort padding make them extremely comfortable to wear. The protectors do not limit your range of movement while also protecting your back from injuries sustained while riding a motorcycle or mountain skiing. The fractal construction allows air to circulate freely, keeping you from sweating, and the waistline can be adjusted for a great fit. With these shields, you can get a burst of adrenaline without putting yourself in danger. From futuristic wallets to survival gear built for any challenge, these 21 gadgets prove that style and function can go hand in hand. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know below.